So today I just want to do a quick unboxing and kind of how-to on the new Eastwood brake line flaring kit. I picked this up at Spring Carlisle swap meet last week. So what I have been using the last couple of years is this set I bought off the Cornwall truck. Honestly, the only thing nice really about this kit is the little spring-loaded cutter and the deburr knife. The rest of it, I've had nothing but trouble. It was pretty expensive. I want to say it was like 120, 130 bucks 6 or 7 years ago. You can see I stripped threads out on the one here that I most commonly use. The idea here with this one was that you put your fitting in on the brake line, and then you thread this on. So you need 2 wrenches, and then you either need to put it in a vise or you need both your hands. But not a great tool. Better than the old clamp style, but I still always had the line kind of sliding through there. Plus you see these big ridges in there, so it would always chew the lines up. I actually, from the lines sliding, I had taken this apart and milled a little bit, milled about 20 thousandths off of the block so I could get a tighter pinch because the line would still continue to slide. So decided I wanted something a little better. I was at the show. Eastwood had a show special, so I got this set up for 170 bucks, 175 bucks, I think. I got to do a demo there. They had it set up with a bench vise, and I really liked it. So I haven't used this one yet at the house. I figured I'll try to make a line here on the video and show you guys how it works. So what comes in the box? Just got some pretty simple instructions on how it works. There's 4 dies. You got these 3 here, plus the one that's in there. So this allows you to do a single flare, a double flare, or a bubble flare on 4 or 5 different sizes. So let's check it out. So I've got the tool mounted up in my bench vise and attached the handle. So pretty simple operation. Got the correct die for some 5/16 line. I already cut the end off and deburred the edges. Now we're gonna set this down in here and then lock that into place, and then just very lightly snug that. And your dial, it's like a little turret here, you're gonna set that to operation 0 and push back, and it's gonna set your die back, and it's gonna make it flush. Then you can draw this down tight. Okay. So this is a 5/16 double flare. So we're just gonna find 5/16 operation 1 right here. And I do recommend using some oil, a little bit of lube on here. So put that on. Okay. Now, what you do, pull one until it stops. And there is your first press. And then we're gonna go back to turn the dial to 5/16 op 2. Put a little bit on there. Pull op 2. Again, just pull till it stops. Let go. And that should be it. Let's see what we got here. Loosen that. Pull that out. There's your flare. Sorry, it's not focusing very good. Try that. Let's try it over here. All right, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. It very easy. Come on. All right, let's try this. Maybe it'll work up against the wall. There we go. So we got nice clean flare. It's symmetrical. A little bit of a burr on there, but Again, a lot easier, a lot nicer looking than the flares I've done with my old style flare tool. This is the first thing I've done with it. I just pulled it out of the box. So the more I practice with it, I think the better off I'll get with it. But I think for 175 bucks, it might be a little over 200 on their site. I got a show special. I think it's a pretty neat tool. So hope you enjoyed.